Hey, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today we're going to be checking out some earbuds from Urbanista. I want to give them a big shout out for sending these out for me to review, but this is the latest new improved earbuds, the Stockholm Plus. These retail for €70. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching LS Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So this is Urbanista's latest line of earbuds, the Stockholm Plus. It comes in 5 different unique colors. We've got a white, black, we've got a grey one, but then we have this olive green as well as a rose gold in a pink color. They all look nice, but I've gone for the olive green. So this is the box itself, as you can see, Stockholm Plus True Wireless. So these are only retailing for €70. So that's €100 cheaper than the standard AirPods and way more cheaper than the AirPods Pro. But yeah, this is the box, very nice. So we've got improved microphones, we've got 20-hour battery life, we've got up to 5 charges in the case. Left and right, works with Android and iOS as well, so that's nice. Simple packaging, very nice. On the back, we've got some of the features, as you can see. So we do have 20-hour plus of uses. You get around 3.5 to 4 hours use per charge, which is really amazing. We've got enhanced microphone, so it should be amazing for video calls and just talking. We'll check that out as well. It uses Bluetooth 5, we've got stereo phone calling, so that means it doesn't matter which ear you're using. If you just want to use one, you can still talk on that because both of them have microphones. Of course, we have voice control, music control as well with touch enabled, so that's really nice. We'll see how that works as well. But yeah, let's open the box up. So inside, we've got the case itself, we've got the earbuds, so let's just take the case out itself, the earbuds. And I like this screen. It's a very nice screen. We just put that to the side and see what else we have included. So we've got a user guide here. Very nice little hefty guide there. This is what I was looking for. The charger box. So it should be USB-C for charging. So that's really nice. So no micro B. I'm really happy with that. Let's get this out. It wants to come out. Yep. Do you want to come out? Hello. USB-C. It doesn't want to come out. So I can get my hand in there, get it out. Oh, this isn't okay. Got it. Okay, that's a tiny cable, and you struggle to come out. That is not acceptable. But yeah, we've got a tiny A to Type-C cable. It's still usable. I'm happy this USB-C, so if you want to use these, you can use that. But if you got those USB-C, you can just go ahead with that and use that. But yeah, let's look at the case itself. So this is the case, the charging case. Very nice, simple here. You've got some indicating light for your charge. You've got your USB-C there. If you open it up, you've got your reset button there, and then to charge, you just use these magnet pins here. But as you can see, they look very similar, just like the AirPods. But let me put these in here. So let's pair the headset up now. So what you want to do, take one of these earbuds out and just hold the button here. And you can see it's in pairing mode. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my phone, get onto the Bluetooth, scroll all the way down, and hopefully it should show up. And it's this, Urbanista Stockholm Plus. And you just want to pair that up. And now it's paired. So that works in my ear. And the second one will automatically pair as well. So I'm going to put that in. And you can see how that looks on me. Let me try some music. Yeah, both ears are working, so that's good. You just had to pair one of them and now they're both working. So if I take them out, I can put them back in the case. Take the second one and I can put it back in the case. So that's really nice. So right now we're going to go over the touch controls on the earbuds themselves. They actually have touch controls on the logos. You can actually press and they will do certain things, from increasing the volume and playing music, answering phones. So like on the left ear cup or earbud, you can double press and it will play music. As you can see, you can press 1 and it will decrease the volume. And with the right side, you can increase the volume by touching once, or if you double touch, it will bring up Siri. As you can see, that works fine. And the same for answering phones. If you got incoming call, you just tap twice, you can answer phone, and that will work on both sides. And if you then hold for 2 seconds on each of them, it should go to the next song or backward. Yeah, so that started the song again. So if I use the right, it should go to the next song. Oops, hold for 2 seconds. As you can see, you change your song, so that's really nice. So you just need to get used to them, having them in ear. So you got volume up, volume down, double tap to pause and play, so that's really good. You just need to get in the hang of them, then you probably will get used to them, but otherwise, they look nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try them out, listen to some music, answer some phone calls and see how it works, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So yeah, I've used the headphone for a while now, did some phone calls, listened to music, and they sound really good. And the mic quality is really decent. I'm really impressed with the quality of the mic. I was hoping that it wouldn't be that good because it's really far up, but I was really impressed with the sound quality. And they are really good. Like the sound quality makes the vocal sounds really good. The bass is low, but it's still there. You can feel a bit of it, but I'm happy with it overall. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a sound test. So I'm going to talk with the mic so you can hear how it sounds. So if you're having a phone call or if someone is listening to you using these headphones, this is how they're going to sound. So let's do that. So yeah, now I'm talking directly into the camera mic. So this is how the audio is going to sound when it does that. Now I will change over to the headset. So right now this is the headset talking. So if you're getting the audio, this is how the audio sounds from the headset. Now let's change back. Now this is the camera mic. And if I'm talking, this is how it will sound. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back up to the headset. Now we're on the headset. This is how the headset sounds. So you can see there's audio different quality. Let's go back to the camera. So yeah, I've actually listened to this myself and I've noticed a difference. So you can see there's a huge difference, but this is the camera mic, so of course it's going to be way much better. But the sound from the earbuds themselves are really good. I'm really impressed with them, and they feel good. Like they don't fall out or anything like that. As you can see, they stay really well in my ears, and I like the color as well. Yes, I did say they look very familiar to the AirPods. I've got the AirPods here, so let's just get one of these out. So get one of these out as well. As you can see, have a very similar footprint with design as well. Well, these are around 170 euros, but these are only 70. So you are, of course, getting a very much cheaper headset. But I think these are good. Yeah, the AirPods get around 5 hours of use per charge, but these only get around 3.5. But with the case, you do get that 5 hours full charge. So you should be getting around up to 20 plus hours, which is really nice. Bro, they look nice. Of course, these are IPX4, so they're splash through. So if you want to hit the gym, you should be fine. And if you're out of raining, you shouldn't have any issue with these. So that's really good. And of course, you have that huge range of color selection with the AirPods. You just get that standard white. And if you don't like white, of course, you can go for the black ones. There's that titanium gray, which looks really nice. If you want something different, you've got the green ones and you've got the rose gold as well. But yeah, for 70 euros, I'm really impressed with it, and the sound quality is good. Of course, I can't show you how it is so that you hear, but if you want, I can play some song and you can listen to it. That's the only thing. So that's music playing out of it now. Maybe them closer to the mic. Like this. In my ears. Back out in the microphone. Because it's just mainly vocal music, so to get a feel of it, try something else. Something simple. But yeah, You can hear they actually do a good sound. And you can hear they're pretty loud. And this is like a centimeter or something away from a microphone. Back in my ears, so if there's sound leaking, it's not that much, but yeah. Of course, double tap to pause works really well, so that is great. And for the price, I'm really impressed with these headphones. I've had the New York one of the Urbanista line, and that was really amazing. That was over the ear style, noise cancelling, so very impressed. These are very in ear. I'm going to be using this to the gym, do a proper full review. But yeah, this was just my unboxing and first experience of the Urbanista Stockholm Plus. Do check out the link in the description, or right now on Amazon you do get a 10% discount, so do check out the links. And as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.